来，大家好啊，我是李老师。所以我们这个 video 呢，我们讨论 Experiment 5.1。OK，来，我们看一看 video 先，过后我们再在学校那边做。Aim to study the difference in properties between the ionic compounds and covalent compound. Problem statement: What are the difference in properties between ionic compound and covalent compound? Material we are using is solid lead to bromide, naphthalene, magnesium chloride, cyclohexane, and distilled water. Apparatus: test tube, spatula, evaporating dish, Bunsen burner, Piclet triangle, wire gauze, beaker, measuring cylinder, tripod stand, battery switch, light bulb, and carbon electrode. Okay, actually there are three 其实有三个 experiment 啊，三个 experiment，所以我们先做第一个来看它可不可以传电 ，electrical conductivity of compound。Okay, carry out this experiment in film chamber. So normally 这个老师应该是没有在学校做啦，比较麻烦啦，在 film chamber 不多学生看到，所以你们就看这个 video 就很好了。OK, hypothesis 啊，这个我们这个它有，如果你记得。Ionic compound 有4个 properties，covalent compound 也有4个 properties，你们要背起来了。OK， 来我们看它的 properties， 第一个是 Ionic compound can conduct electricity in molten state but not in solid state, while covalent compound cannot conduct electricity in both state. Variable manipulated type of compound, responding variable electrical conductivity, fixed variable carbon electrode. Carbon electrode. Okay, so this is the procedure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 老师在 YouTube 有找到一些 video， 来，等一下我们一起看啊。Okay, so 这个是我们用的东西是 naphthalene， 所以它是小心啊 flammable 的，所以有火的话它容易着火了，小心一点。然后当我们 heat 这个 lead to bromide 的时候呢，它会产生 bromide， 它会产生bromine gas 也是有一点危险的啦。OK， so 这个是 the setup of the apparatus， 你大概可以看一下 idea 是这样子啦。如果那个东西可以传电的话呢，这个灯泡light bulb 它会亮了，可以吗？这个很简单的一个 idea。OK， 来我们看一下它的 video。好所以你们看到这个是 carbon electrode 然后这个是 crucible 啦，然后里面我们会放2样东西 ionic compound 跟 covalent compound。所以在这里呢 ionic compound 我们用 lead to bromide。然后过后呢，我们再换 naphthalene， 然后下面是烧，最主要呢是要让它melt，就是让它融了然后我们再看看它可不可以传电。它灯泡在这里灯泡在这里OK， 来，废话不多说，我们一起看一下这个 experiment。
First, we are going to use the solid lead bromide. So look, it is white in color.
Lead to bromide.
So put into the crucible
first in solid form.
Full. And then we switch on the bulb, and it does not light up. Why?
灯泡没有亮
Because it is in solid state. Okay, now let's heat the lead bromide until all
heat 要
solids
弄到
melt.
它融了，变 liquid。
Now we switch on the bulb again. See if it's light up. Why?
漂亮，这个
Because
是
now the lead bromide is in
灯泡有
molten
亮
state, so it can conduct electricity.
可以传电。好
Alright, now we are going to repeat the experiment. We are going to replace the lead bromide with naphthalene. So naphthalene is a covalent compound.
换naphthalene。不能传电，烧融它。melt 它。
Then we heat the naphthalene until all the solid melts.
naphthalene 的味道也很大naphthalene 的味道。OK， 融了，melt 了。
So we turn on the switch again and see.
灯泡还是没有着。
The bulb still does not light up.
OK， 很好的一个 video， 一个 experiment。所以我们可以看到 lead to bromide 当它是 solid 的时候呢，它是那个 bulb 没有着了。然后但是当它是 molten 的时候，就是它 melt 了过后呢 ，the light bulb is light up。OK， 就是有着了。刚才very good experiment。这个。OK， 然后 naphthalene 呢，当它是 solid 的时候呢，灯泡没有着，然后当它 molten 熔到完的时候呢，它灯泡也没有着，所以这个证明了那个 hypothesis 啦。ionic compound can conduct electricity in molten state, while naphthalene covalent compound cannot in both state. OK， 我们再看一下另外一个就是B. The solubility of compound in water. So hypothesis, ionic compound soluble in water but not in organic solvent. While covalent compound 调转过来了 insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. Manipulated variable type of compound， 或者是我们可以写我们用的东西 magnesium chloride and naphthalene. Responding variable solubility in water and in cyclohexane， 这个是 organic solvent 来的。Fixed variable 是 water 和 cyclohexane。OK， so 这个是 experiment， 很简单的，就是我们有1到6的 procedure， 我们就是把那个东西放进水里面，然后我们看它可不可以溶罢了。OK， 应该有 video， 我们看一下的 video。好，来让我们看一下，很简单。
Solubility of compound in water and organic solvents. First, to test the solubility of the compound with water, take some of your magnesium chloride into a test tube using a spatula and pour in some water. Then take a glass rod, stir the mixture together, and see. It all dissolves in water. Now for the naphthalene, take some of it into the test tube, pour in some water,
naphthalene, covalent compound.
Take a glass rod and stir it together.
这个我们还是看到那些白色。所以我们说它是
And you can see the naphthalene does not dissolve in the water.
开始我们先
So
用水
now
了。
let's start using organic compound. First, take your magnesium chloride.
在 test 过，但是我们这是用 organic solvent, cyclohexane.
Take some cyclohexane as your organic solvent. Pour into your test tube.
Magnesium chloride in
Make sure to stir the two mixtures together. And now, as you can see, the compound does not dissolve in the cyclohexane. Now, using the naphthalene, take some of it into the test tube. And pour in some cyclohexane.
Organic solvent.
But don't forget to stir the mixture together.
Oh, yes. 可以溶在
And you can see the naphthalene dissolve in the cyclohexane. Amazing, isn't it? Thank you for watching.
所以很简单的 experiment， 所以我们可以看到 magnesium chloride 是soluble in water， 然后 insoluble in organic solvent cyclohexane， 然后过后 naphthalene as a covalent compound 它是调转的。OK， 非常简单。然后最后一个 experiment 是to investigate the melting point and the boiling point of compound. Okay, hypothesis, ionic compound has higher melting point and boiling point than covalent compound. Manipulated variable type of compound, 然后过后 responding variable melting point, 然后过后 fixed variable quantity of the compound. Okay, 所以experiment 非常简单 ，1, 2, 3， 我们就拿水 然后过后heat 它，然后我们2个 test tube 装2个不同的 compound， 一个是 ionic， 一个是 covalent。那我们先看哪一个先溶了如果先溶那个呢，就是 low melting and boiling point OK， 所以我们看也是有 experiment， 我们看一下答案有了
to do melting point and boiling point of a compound. So first,
煮水
let's take some
简单罢了
of the magnesium
做了
chloride
再迟点我们去学
into
校
a
做
boiling tube using a spatula.
一个放 ionic compound magnesium chloride
And then put it into the boiling water. Next, take your naphthalene
应该一起放
with another set of spatula into the boiling tube.
一个放 naphthalene
Make sure to close the lid. And then put it into the boiling water.
这样子罢了咯
Let's wait for a few
那我们
minutes.
就 observe
While waiting, you can also stir
哪一个涌现
the compound, especially the naphthalene.
naphthalene 溶了看到吗
Look at the naphthalene
有点
now.
可能不清楚
Magnesium chloride. Stir it for a few seconds. And now look,
magnesium chloride
it does not melt. What does
it
this
does not
mean?
melt. Magnesium
Talk to your
chloride
teacher
has
to
a
find out. Thank you and have fun.
OK， 所以说它的 experiment 是这样它的 observation 是这样啦magnesium chloride exists as solid after 5 minutes the solid remain in the test tube， 所以我们还是5分钟过我们还是看到 solid 啦证明了 magnesium chloride has high melting point。而 naphthalene 呢，我们一下子罢了，你们在学校做可能看到比较清楚这个可以做，这2个都可以做。OK，after 5 minutes， 全部 naphthalene 本来是 solid 的 turns into liquid， 证明了 naphthalene has low melting and boiling point， 或者是 covalent compound has low melting and boiling point。OK， 就这样子的一个实验discussion。What type of compound is lead to bromide？ 答案是 lead to bromide and magnesium chloride 是 ionic compound， whereas naphthalene is a covalent compound. Predict the electrical conductivity and solubility, melting point and boiling point of sodium chloride. 所以我们知道 sodium chloride 是 ionic compound 来的，所以 ionic compound sodium chloride can conduct electricity in molten or aqueous solution， 或者是然后它也 dissolve in water but cannot dissolve in organic solvent。然后 sodium chloride has a high melting and boiling point。OK， 就这样子啦简简单单的3个实验，我们迟些在学校做。Thank you， 拜拜。